Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill Class 8 English version Math Measurements Chapter Exercise 3. Question number 11. The area of a rectangle, let us draw a rectangle here. Length is 4 times the breadth. So the length is 4 times the breadth. This is the length is 4 times the breadth. So if breadth is a meter, then length is 4a meter. Why? Because length is 4 times the breadth. Okay. Suppose breadth is equals to a meter. Therefore, length 4a meter. Therefore, area equals to, we know, length into breadth, area of a rectangular. So 4a into a, 4a into a, unit will be square meter. Meter into meter is square meter. So 4a square we can write equals to 4a square meter. Now the question says the area is 10 acres. What is acre? Now what is acre? Acre is unit of area in British system. And the other is, we found square meter. Square meter is unit of area in metric system. Is there any relation between the two? Can we convert acre into square meter? Yes, we can. 1 acre equals to 4046.86 square meter. From here we can find 10 acres equal to, therefore 10 acres equals to 10 into 4046.86 square meter. Now multiply the decimal fraction by 10. If we multiply, then the decimal point moves 1 digit right, equals to 4046.86 square meter. Can we write 4a square meter equals to 4046.86 square meter? Yes, because this is also area of the rectangular and this is also area of the rectangular. So we can write 4a square equals to 4046.86 From here we can find a square. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 equals to how much? 10117.15. 10117.15. Can we find the value of A? Yes. Therefore, A equals to root. We know we have to use the root. 10117.15 equals to 100.584 meter. If we root, the result will be 100.584 meters. And what is A? A is actually the breadth. We need to find the length. That is what question is asking. So therefore, the length equals to 4A equals to 4 into 100.584 meter equals to 402.34 meter. This is approximate. Why we say approximate? When there is a remainder and we take a round figure, then we say this is approximate. Approx. What is the answer? Answer is 402.34 meter approximate. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.